This is the corn which is boiled and added salt and I like to add tomato, ripe tomato to make more sweety and tasty. So that's it. Boiled corn can be healthy and nutritious food choice. It aids in digestion, improve eye health, protect your heart, provides nutrients like vitamins. Your body needs to work well. So moderately you take. It affects blood sugar. Offers a healthy gluten-free option. Okay, gluten-free option. Eating corn can be healthy choice. It's a good source of fiber, nutrients, vitamins and antioxidants. Vitamins like A and C and minerals like magnesium. Oh, magnesium, which are essential for overall health. So that's it. See, corn, sweet corn, sweet corn, sweet corn. It's a 4 o'clock break. You can choose this one. So I am using it as today's break at Shiva Parvati 4 o'clock. Okay.